Alright, here we are on the Fairlane. There's a big old hole now. I'll take a pry bar and pop this up. Big piece of chain seal that they have in there. Pretty thick. Well, not unusual, I guess. But this is now rough. That curve underneath all that. Sorry, I'm leaving everybody clean. That is all under there, so the whole bottom half in here is rotted out. I'll have to kill that cancer. Yep, that same thing with old cancer down in there. All that is just covered up. Crap. So then look at the nose and cut it all out.
Here we are on 66 Fairlane, and we're stripping, cutting all off. All the paint. A lot of layers, that's why we put the sandblaster. As you can see up there, there's the original paint and original clear coat. And as you cut it more and strip it off, you can see it just gets multiple layers. Again, this is why we could not sandblast it yet, because the paint job was just too thick.
It's a good Fairlane. Been stripping on the corner just to get it off, you know, to see everything under it. And underneath of all the original paint, bodywork, anywhere they did body putty, is solid rust everywhere. The bottom half of it is rotted out. I was hoping the top would be better. They have some pretty extensive rust in all the panel. So we're going to clean it. I would have stripped some instead of just blast beating it. The whole thing's going to go up on a rotisserie. It's sitting on the jig, ready to go up on a rotisserie so we can strip it down and clean it. All the other parts of the body have been cleaned and stripped and acid, and this is a mess. I want to strip both side quarters to really see how much the mud is, so I can just blast it all out. So, all right, there she is. And yeah, doesn't look very thick. They put it on there pretty good. That's a pretty good layer on there. There's the spot. Now, come through the other side. Hopefully, look at that big old rubber band-aid. It breathes. Look, it breathes. Yep. Christine, that would be, you know, that'd be a good heartbeat knowing Christine, you know. Yeah, if I had a rubber board. It's just going off. One of them hot dog repair jobs. Yep. Yep, I better get a pair of gloves. But this way out here. There it is! The Band-Aid! And the hole. That's where your feet go. Bad cancer, bad cancer, bad. Anyway, we're all back at it. I'll blast it all out of there. I'll cut that shit out and make new pieces. But it's where your brake line, your Mercy brake cable all goes through there, so we got to remove all that and get it out of there before we do any of it. Put all new back in. Here she is. I removed all the front suspension, everything out of her, and put her back out here to work again. All this I'm gonna steam Jenny and scrape and get all the old tar and grease and everything in there out. It's pretty deep. That's completely full, and that's actually a ditch in there. And the same with this on the side. But anyway, all that'll come clean. Took all that out so I can address the parts that are bent pretty bad up here in the front, and take care of those and take care of the frost down other piece. I'll weld these holes back up that they put in place. As they edge out, I'll weld that up. See how they just winged it all out. And it's not supposed to be like that at all. So anyway, we'll get that taken care of, and I'm getting ready to clean. Yeah, see here on this side how it's dug out. So I'll clean all that out. Now, I'll show you what I'm doing later. I got that and Fairlane. I got it up on the rotisserie, getting ready to clean all the undercarriage and everything. Previous inspection of the quarters. I got quarters coming for both sides. Luckily, I found you can't find doors, skins, hood skins, fenders, anything. You take them off of other cars and find better and redo them. Otherwise, you make it from scratch. So we were lucky though. We did find a set of quarters from the guy that are in real good shape. So I'm gonna get them. I'm getting ready to power wash this, and then I'm going to glass feed everything where we're going to be cutting out parts and putting in new. And that's what I'm getting ready to do. But it came a long ways. Everything's moving right along with it, but yeah, my son stripped the quarter down, and I'll flip it back over. It is just a nightmare. Full of stuff. All this is caved and dented in and holes through it and everything. That's a giant dent filled with body parts on the outside. So, anyway, I'll show it to you when I got it flipped up the other way. That's where she's at. I'll show it when you're all cleaned up again. Alright. Alright, all the suspension's out. I've steam jennied it and decreased 90% of everything to clean it up and get everything cleaned out so I can glass feed some of the areas I'm going to be removing things. And we go from there. Alright, coming along. Well, all I'm doing is I'm glass feeding around all the areas where I'm going to cut out. This area is all the pockets are getting removed. So I mean, if you go around the other side, the metal's pretty good everywhere else. So I'm cleaning up the back quarters where I'm going to cut them off. And George has already glass feeded a lot of that.